So let's start with the likes topic. Let's start with grief. You've probably gone through a breakup, and if you've gone through a breakup, you went through these 5 stages: denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance.
There's one of them which probably you sit with a tub of macadamia nut brittle with a spoon in front of the TV watching Notting Hill 3 times.
It starts with denial. This is just hype. It's like crypto. Has anyone here invested in crypto? You don't need to answer that.
It took 37 years for the electricity to get into US households, 17 years for the internet, 10 months for ChatGPT. So clearly, this is not going to go away.
Anger is just a fancy chatbot. Doesn't change anything.
So I want to bargain with you. Let's take a look at the first one. We're talking about video. One of the things that video does, it's been very complex to create. Nowadays, if you take a tool that is commercially available, Photoshop, which you all heard about, we can create an ad in 20 seconds.
And of course, as I was super excited with the possibilities, as a typical human, I went straight into depression. This is it. I'm going to lose my job. Machines are going to take over.
But as I started thinking about it, what if we've been busy with the wrong things? If I can ask you to take a mental note, how much of your time do you spend in your personal and professional lives in admin work?
So this helped me go into acceptance. I think this is a generation of superpowers that can help us be much better at what we do as marketers.
So tomorrow, when you leave this very beautiful place, my ask is go out there and ask other people the same question I'm about to ask you. Will you come and dance with me? Thank you.